through to the quarter-finals of the Intermediate Cup today after a really hard-fought 2-1 win against the Welders.
Yeah, it always is a difficult game against the Welders. Today was no different. So we're delighted to get into the next round and another quarter-final to look forward to.
And we showed probably more than one side to our game today. It was really good first-half performance. We were dominant in the second half. We had to dig in that a wee bit more.
Yeah, from watching it, I really believe that we could have, if we went in 2 or 3, maybe on another day with our Fairport 4 up at half time, I don't think anyone would have begrudged us that. I think we were that dominant for the first 35 minutes and had a lot of clear-cut chances. But they came into it, and you're never going to dominate a game for 90 minutes at this level. So we showed that we can soak up a bit of pressure, and I thought we defended very, very well at times. Sloppy goal maybe on another day. We're a little bit more streetways, and we commit a foul on the halfway lane. It doesn't happen, but we're learning, and to come away with a victory like that is pleasing.
It's the second 2-1 victory over the Welders this season. Psychologically, in terms of the rest of the season, that's maybe an important thing as well.
Well, maybe. All we're focused on is winning games, and whether they're 6-0 victories or 5-4s, really now I don't care, because it's all about winning games. We're into, people might cliche it as the business end of the season almost. We're approaching that, and all that matters is winning matches. And to be honest, although they would all be lovely 2-0 victories, that's not going to happen. So we'll have to weather a few storms, and as long as we win games, that's the most important thing.
You had the last 2 weeks to work with the players and work on certain things. Do you feel that was kind of the fruit of that labour was shown today?
Well, I think we played quite well overall. I thought we were good. Second half we could have passed the ball better. I thought we passed the ball extremely well first half. On the flip side, as you said, we defended a lot more resolutely in second half, and played maybe a little bit on the counter a little bit as they applied pressure. And if our selection of pass had been better, we would have maybe opened them up a few times. But all in all, you can't. When you win 2-1 as a hard-fought game, as they always bring, you have to be pleased.
Stuart McMullen won the Player of the Month, and he won today's Man of the Match. He had a really good game today.
He had, and he should have made it 2-0 with a free header from a corner. But his finish off the first one was excellent. And he's had I think it's a joint, was it, two months in a row or something with so little games. So yes, Stuart's a good lad. He's a good player, and he's willing to learn, and he's very much what we're all about here. So he's done well.
I feel Colin Nixon has come in and settled in well, and maybe starting to make his mark around.
I think it's there for all to see. I think it's an obvious question. If people's watching the games, you can see his influence, you can see what he brings. And it was, as I said, with 15 minutes to go, these are the type of occasions that we bring Colin Nixon to the club for, to see out 2-1 victories. And I think he had a good game, and he was a main reason for us seeing out that 2-1.
Possibly no game next Saturday. It's presumably a real frustration now.
It is, because how you meant to build up momentum. I think someone told me that we'd won the game in 3 months. So it's not ideal, but that's just the way it is. And when the games come around, it's important we're ready. And if we can play like we did for 60 minutes, 65 minutes, like we did today for the remaining of the season, and bring those over full 90 minutes, we're going to be in the latter stages of competitions and pushing people in the league if we can apply that. But it's all right me standing here saying that. It's actually carrying it out on the pitch. But in relation to today, you couldn't fault any of the boys. I thought we were very good.
And with games in hand, teams around us, teams above us, the whole squad is going to be utilised between now and the end of the season.
Yeah, yes, it will be. You just don't know what's around the corner. In relation to that, we've lost a few now. After January, Michael McLean's decided that he's going to no longer be involved. James Hockey as well. His work commitments again is no longer going to be involved. So it's going to test us squad-wise, but that's where we are. That's something that we've always dealt with. So we'll look after the players as best we can and give us the best opportunity to get them on the pitch.
David, thank you.